What's up everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice algebra math problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, we want to simply note that we can easily express 4 as 2 multiplied 2. So we have this to be 2 plus x or raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2 and this is equal to 16. But 16 can be expressed as 4 raised to the power of 2. Now we can easily rewrite the left hand side of this equation to be 2 plus x all raised to the power of 2 or still raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. But if we have a plus b all raised to the power of 2, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus what b square, where we have a is equals to 2 and b is equals to x. So hence, for the left hand side, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 multiply x plus x squared, and this is all raised to the power of 2 is equal to what? 4 raised to the power of 2. So we have this to be 2 squared is 4 plus 2 multiply x is going to give us 4x plus x squared all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. So from here, we want to simply rearrange this. So we have this to be x squared plus 4x plus 4 all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. So we want to simply rearrange and set this to 0. So we have this to be x squared plus 4x plus 4 all raised to the power of 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 2, and this is equals to 0. But if we have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b, and from here we have that a is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4 and b is equals to what? 4. So hence we have this to be x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4 multiply x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4, and this is equals to 0. So we have this to be x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4 is 8 multiply x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is equals to 0. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals to 0, and we have x squared plus 4x, and this is equals to what? 0. So we're going to say solving for x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. We want to simply apply the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to what? 8. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 4 square minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 8 divide 2 multiply 1. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 8 is going to give us 32 divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is minus 16 divide what? 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply negative 1 divide 2. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply the square root of minus 1 divide 2. But the square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of negative 1 is I divide 2. So x is equals to, if we factor out 2, we have this to be minus 2 plus minus 2i divide what? 2. So we have that x is equals to, this is going to cancel out this, so we have minus 2 plus minus 2i. So therefore x is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x is equals to minus 2 minus what? 2i. So we have been able to solve for the first part right here, and we have the values of x. So we want to simply solve for x squared plus 4x equals to 0. So we are going to say solving for x squared plus 4x equals to 0. We want to simply factor out the common term, which is x, and if we do that, we have x plus 4, which is equals to 0. So we have x is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 0 minus 4. So we have x is equals to 0, or x is equals to what? Minus 4. So hence we have the values of x to be given us. So we have the first values of x. X1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to minus 4, x3 is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x4 is equals to minus 2 minus 2i, and these are the values of x. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra math problem, and we have been able to find the values of x. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.